Guys, 2015 Panini National Treasures Baseball. This is pick your team case number 4 overall, case number 5. Everybody's names and teams on the board. Good luck. Let's pull some monstrosity. All right. Everything has to be monstrous. See a nicely sealed case here. Very nice. Sealed of NT. Let's take the names off the board here so we can have full screen action. Very good. It's time for the crunch. There you go, Ron. All right. Time for the crunch, man. That's right, J-Mid. Quadruple crunch. Robert, I agree. It is so pretty, man. It is so pretty. Yes. It is so pretty. All right. Let's see a fatty, man. Oh, really? That's cool. That's cool, man. Ooh, nice. There she is. There she is. All right. That's what we like to see. Here comes the last crunch. Very nice. Ooh, good. We got 2 of them. Very nice, guys. We have 2 of those Zoids. We have found 2 Zoids. All right, here we go. And here it is, guys. Good luck. All right. Not a bad idea, man. Not a bad idea. Not a bad idea. All right. Here we go, guys. Charlie Gehringer right here. 21 of 99 for Detroit. That is James D. coming out to you. James D. Very nice. James D. Charlie Gehringer. Nice hit, buddy. Next one here is a Raul Mondesi. Nice. Looks just like his dad, too. That's crazy. St. Patrick's Day card. Royals going out to Ken H. Ken H, nice hit, buddy, for you. Next one here, Ken Griffey Jr. There he is. 54 of 99. Filler Team Mariners. Robert S. Robert S. Ken Griffey Jr. Colossal. Nice hit, buddy. Robert S. Next one here, Andrew McCutchen. 82 of 99. Pittsburgh. That is Tom B. coming out to you. Tom B. Very nice. Tom B. Andrew McCutchen. And then we're going to have, oh, nice. Sam McDowell right here. 70 of 99 right there. Notable nicknames. Check that out. That's talking old school right there. All right. Right there. Who's got the Indians? Cleveland. That's James D. There you go, buddy. James D. Right there. James D. Sudden Sam. All right. Sudden Sam right there. Nice hit, man. Next one here. 15 of 75 silhouette. Nice one here for Matt Barnes. Red Sox. Dan, that is you, sir. Dan P. Dan P. 15/75. And then we're going to have a, Michael Brantley, leather and lumber. 66/99 right here. Indians. That is James D. coming out to you. James D. 66/99. Nice one there for you, sir. Michael Brantley. Next one here is a 8/10. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Robinson Cano. Absolutely nasty. Absolutely nasty right there. Robinson Cano. I love it. I love it. NT always deliver. 8/10 right there, buddy. 8/10. Mariners. Robert S. Robert S. Nailed the filler team. You guys should know, man, last teams always hit. Here's the redemption guys. Francisco Lindor, rookie material, signature silver. Cleveland. Right there. Cleveland. And that's going to go out to James D right there. James D, very nice. Rookie material, signature silver. Nice one for James. That is nice. We got to save that for last. What am I doing? We have to save that for last. That's crazy, ain't it, man? It's just crazy, man. Definitely a Cleveland box. Here we go. 20/99 right here. Eddie Matthews. I believe Matthews is a Brave, if my baseball knowledge is correct. I believe Matthews, but we'll check. Yep, Braves, that's correct. Yep, Braves, right there. Eddie Matthews goes to the Braves. And that is James D coming out to you, James D. Yep. Nice one there for you, sir. Just checking, man. I knew I was right. But it's been a long day, you never know. You never know. I've been known to call Terry Labonte Bobby and Bobby Terry and calling Denny Kevin. We go. Carlos Gonzalez, $20 team right here. 19/99 for the Rockies. That's Matt K coming out to you. Matt K, very nice. Matt K, Carlos Gonzalez. Kello right here. 5/99 42 card for the Rangers. That is James F coming out to you. James F. 5/99. Next one here is Colton Wong. Silhouette 1/99 right here. St. Louis Cardinals. That's going to go out to Brian B. Brian B. Very nice, Colton Wong. And then we're going to have, Matt Scherzer, my guy. All right, Cubs. Right here, Silhouette, 75/99 Cubs. That is Karen P. Coming out to you, Karen P. Scherzer. And then we're going to have a, Riff Snyder right here. Wowzers. 83/99. Right there. Check that out. I thought I was Bryant too, man. I really did. Right there. Made in South Korea, Yankees, Jason W. Young Gun. Jason W. Very nice. One more Defoe right here. 50 Defoe, 57/99 right here. Check that out. For the Nationals, James D. That is you, sir. James D. Next one here, Jung Ho Kwang right there. Wow, Kwang. Rookie material signature silver right here. Pittsburgh. That is Tom B coming out to you. Tom B. Very nice. Tom B. All right, guys, next up, here we go. Here is a, 1/10 right here. 1/10. Yadier Molina. Absolutely nasty right here. Check that out. Yadier Molina for the Cardinals. That is Brian B. Coming out to you. Brian B. Nice number on that one. For Brian Molina. 1/10. Very cool, sir. Dude, I agree. That is nasty. All right, guys, let's move on to the big boxes. Definitely a good use of space, TJ. I agree. Let's move on to the fatty Zoids. Oh! Oh! I was just talking about, wow, that's right on top, too. I was just talking about this, too. And the Red Sox sat there forever. Hey, it's daily. I told you guys, I told everybody to buy the Red Sox. I've been saying it. I have been saying it for 2 days to buy the Red Sox. I have witnesses. Yep. I've been saying it for 2 days. Here it is. Wow. 1 of 1 right here. Bat knob. Number 34. Watch out. Dan P hits an absolute monster. Nice hit, buddy. That is absolutely nasty. Dan P hit a monster. I cannot believe it. Nice hit, man. Unbelievable, buddy. Unbelievable. Next one here is a 38 of 99. Chris Archer. Right there, Tampa Bay. That's going to go out to James D. James D. Next one here, 66 of 99. Right here. Ted Krzyzewski for the Red Cincinnati. That's going to go out to James D. James D. Very nice. James D. That is you, sir. Next one here is a Chris Bryant. 63 of 99. Two stripes Chicago Cubs. Karen P. That's coming out to you, Karen P. Very nice. I like this year's better, man. I really do. I never thought I would say that either. Nice one for Karen. Next one here, Lance McCullers, 88 of 99, right here for the Stros, Houston, James F. That's coming out to you, James F. Very nice. Next one here, Michael Franco, Treasure Material, 32 of 99 for the Phillies, James D. That is you, sir, James D. Next one here is a David Wright. David Wright. Right there. 9 of 25 for the Mets. That's going out to Karen P. Karen P. Notable nicknames. Local guy right here. Hollywood. Very nice, David Wright. Coming out to a U. Karen, a couple good hits there with the Mets and Cubs. Next one here. Ooh, rookie colossal signatures. Javier Baez. Right there. Card number 10 for the Cubs. Karen P. having a good break. Karen P. Very nice. And then we got right here 18 of 25. There he is, Mr. Abreu. Triple relic right there for the White Sox. There's Ron D. coming out to you. Ron D. Very nice. Jose Abreu for Ron. I'm just reading the cards, man. I agree. 18 of 25. Nice one there for Ron. Unbelievable hit, man. Bat knob Ortiz. All right. All right, guys. Here's the last one. Here's the last one here. Mark McGuiroid. 7 of 10 right here for the A's. Going out to James D. James D. Very nice. Next one here is a Garrett Cole. 17 of 99 right here. Pittsburgh. And that's going to go out to Tom B. Right there, Tom B. Very nice. Garrett Cole. Next one here is Addison Russell. Wow, 6 of 49. Right there for the Cubs. Karen P. That's coming out to you, Karen P. Addison Russell. Next one here, Brewers. 72 of 99. Corey Knebel. Right there in Milwaukee. That's going to go out to Steve G. Right there, nice one for Steve. 72 of 99. Next one here, 50 of 99. We got a good one coming up after this. We got a good one coming up after this. All right, Keeler is the Yankees right there. New York Yankees going to go out to Jason W. Jason W. All right, Dan, here you go, buddy. Jan Mankata right here. Check that out. 49 of 99 right there. Wowzers. I checked the checklist, guys. It said Yankees on him. I checked the checklist. Yeah, it said Yankees. Yep. There we go, Red Sox. Dan, that's coming out to you. Dan P. 49 of 99. Big hit right there, buddy. Big hit. Next one here is a Miguel Sano. Treasured Materials Majestic. Wowzers. 4 of 5 right there for the Twins. And that is Tom B coming out to you, Tom B. Very nice. Miguel Sano. Absolutely nasty. Right there. Very nice for Tom. Now, T right here, 47 of 49 right there. Treasure material for the Stros. That is James F. Coming out to you, James F. Very nice. 47 of 49. Next one here is a Andy Wilkins. Right here, 29 of 49 silhouette. Right here, White Sox. That is Ron D. Coming out to you, Ron D. All right, guys. And next one here is a 9 of 10. Right here, 9 of 10. Nelly Fox. Check that out. Nelly Fox. Right there, 9 of 10 Legends. Pretty cool. Old Nelly. Nelly is the Chicago White Sox. Great case, I agree, man. Great case. And that's Ron coming out to you, Ron D. Very nice. Ron D. All right. Good stuff, guys. That'll complete NT Baseball Pick Your Team case number 4. Thanks for joining. Let's save that for YouTube. All right. Let's do soccer next.